Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your music on Spotify in 2023. As one of the world's leading music streaming platform, Spotify offers incredible opportunities for musicians to reach a global audience and grow their fan base. So in this tutorial, we'll explore some essential strategies to effectively promote your music on Spotify. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have, or you prefer, if you have like many browsers. So once you do so, of course, you will have the first step, of course, is to claim your Spotify for artist profile. So if you haven't already, this will give you like access to valuable insights and tools to manage your music on the platform, and make sure to optimize your profile with a professional bio and high quality images and links to your social media and websites, as example, if you have some. So let's just start by going to the URL section, type Spotify, of course, .com, and hit the enter button and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll find yourself or you'll find like a sign up option to create an account for yourself. You can go even and install the app if you want to not use it in the browser, or you can even go and use it on your phone. And of course, so once you do so, of course, make sure to simply release your music on Spotify. So uploading your music to Spotify is essential to make it available to listeners worldwide. Work with a digital distributor or use Spotify's in-house distribution service to release your tracks, albums, or EPs on the platform, of course. Make sure to even create some engaging playlists. So create playlists that feature your own music along with tracks from other artists in your genre. Uh, so playlist creation is an effective way to showcase your music to new listeners and foster engagement with your existing fan base. As an example, you can even collaborate with influencers and playlists. So reach out to influencers, bloggers, and playlist creators in your niche to feature, of course, your music in their playlists or promote your tracks. Uh, and make sure to even collaborate, or collaboration can significantly boost your visibility and attract new listeners. After that, of course, make sure to utilize your social media to promote your Spotify profile, not Shopify. So leverage your social media channels, especially if you have some good ones in TikTok or Instagram or something like that. Make sure to leverage that social media channels to drive traffic to your Spotify profile. You can share links to your latest releases, playlists, and artist page to encourage your followers to listen and follow. After that, make sure to engage with your audience. This is very important. So make sure to interact with your fans on Spotify by responding to comments and messages. Engaging with your audiences or audience fosters a deeper connection, will make a deeper connection between you, and of course will encourage loyalty. After that, of course, make sure to run some Spotify ad campaigns. So Spotify offers advertising option for musicians to promote their music to a targeted audience. Consider running an ad campaign to raise awareness about your new releases or upcoming event. You can go and open a new tab as example and simply type again uh, Spotify space ads and hit the enter button. And as you can see here, you'll find Spotify advertising. Make sure to click on that. And here, if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. Or if you click on start now, so let's just wait. This will take us to a new page. And if you can see here, let's just wait for the page until it loads. Of course, from here you'll be able, as you can see, to see how it works, the pricing, a lot of other stuff, add products, add analytics, industries, and resources. You'll be able to see everything here in the first page, and even you can scroll down to know what is this Spotify advertising, how you can use it, and a lot of information that you may need or you may want to know. If you don't know, as an example, you may want to know more information about this. Of course, you will find everything that you want here. So make sure to keep scrolling down and see how it's doing. So I don't know why it's not working. It should just wait for it a bit more. So let me just cut the video until it shows, or let me just go and try it again. Click on start now. So if it works now, that's cool. And of course, so as I said, Spotify, of course, offers like some advertising option for musicians to promote the music to a targeted audience. So make sure to run your ad campaigns. So let me just tell you what you're gonna have. If you click on Start Now, you'll find an option to sign up, or maybe you can sign in with your Spotify account. So if you have it, of course, that will be great. And of course, you can even go and create like another account if you want for for just advertising. After that, you'll be able to run some ad campaigns depending on whatever ad you want. And of course, you can be able. So let's just leave that for later. So once you run your ad campaigns, you'll be able to see if it's working well. If you see like more people going or listening to your music that you have the ads of it. So make sure to, even as an example, collaborate with other artists. So partner with other musicians and collaborate or on joint tracks or remixes. This cross promotion can expose your music to reach other fan base and expand your reach. Make sure to even utilize the Spotify analytics. So take advantage of Spotify for Artists analytics to gain insights into your audience, demographics, and streaming trends and playlist performance. Of course, you'll be able to find everything here in the Spotify advertising. That's the analytics that I was going to talk about. So as you can see, it's here. So you'll be able to see like the analytics. So normally when you sign up, you'll be able to see the analytics example. And once you do so, of course, I'm just going to click on continue or confirm here. And of course, the ad analytics here, you'll be able to see how your ads making or how they are doing. Are they reaching the right content or the right target audience? And you can, as an example, if you did more than one ad campaign, you can see what's working for you and do the rest as you did the one that's working for you. You can even, as an example, release some exclusive content, reward your most loyal listeners by offering exclusive content such as behind the scenes recording, acoustic versions, or unreleased tracks. Exclusive content can incentivize fans to follow and engage with your music. Make sure to even submit to Spotify playlists. So submit your music to Spotify official playlists or independent creator playlist relevant to your genre, and make sure to even promote your Shopify music on other platforms. As an example, for music that is well known. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to effectively promote your music on Spotify in 2023. Remember to follow these steps, and you can even get creative if you want to. So keep creating, engaging with your audience, and exploring new opportunities to share your passion with the world. So best of luck with your musical journey, and we look forward to hearing your music on Spotify. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.